In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to a blog post. This works the same way when you want to add it to any page within any LawLytics site or blog. We're going to start with an already published page, which we're going to edit to insert a video. This is a blog post from the LawLytics blog, which is also powered by LawLytics. And what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the editor, and we're going to be putting the YouTube video right down here below where it says video tutorial. And so we're going to go ahead and put the cursor at the end of that sentence to create another space by pressing return. And then we're going to go up to the video icon and click it, which brings up the video insert modal. We're going to go to YouTube, etc., and it asks for our YouTube ID. So we're going to go to our YouTube page, and we're going to find our YouTube ID. Now, the ID can be found in several different places. It can be found in the URL bar as part of the YouTube address. It can also be found on your video page in the embed area. And it's going to be exactly the same regardless of whether you get it from this shortened URL, which you could paste in, or from the actual embed code. What you're looking for is not the entire URL, which if you were looking for the entire URL, it would be this whole thing right here. You're looking for a little piece of it. The easiest way to do it is in this shortened URL to simply copy everything to the right of the slash. And so we have this code right here, and we're going to copy it by pressing Control-C on a PC or Command-C on a Mac. Once it's in your clipboard, you'll go back to the other page. But I also want to show you that the same exact code that you see up here is also here. You just have to do a little more to extract it because it is surrounded by this question mark and this slash. So I recommend you get it from up here. So we're going to copy it. We're going to go back to the insert modal. We're going to paste it in there. So this is our code, and you can see that it's identical to what is in here and also to what is in here. And then we're going to insert it. The only thing left to do is to decide what size you want to insert it as. And here we're going to choose the middle size, 480 by 270, but you can choose any of the sizes that you want. And all of these sizes are designed to fit well within any LawLytics page or blog post. And then simply decide whether you want it inline, which means it'll just be on its own line, or whether you want it to be floating left or right of text. Now, since this is a fairly wide video screen, it's not going to take up the whole area that we have, but it's going to take up enough of it that in this particular case, we're going to put it inline so that it appears below the text that we have in this area. So we pressed insert, and you'll see that it appears here. And you'll see it instantly in your editor in the LawLytics control panel. But once it's there, all that's left to do is to press the publish button. And then when you go to the site, in this case we'll go to lawlyticsblog.com, and we'll go to this particular post, and we'll scroll down to where we expect to find it, and here it is, and it's instantly embedded and playable within your blog post.